Let us proceed to the next question. Question number 3. The formation of the oxide ion from oxygen atom requires first an exothermic and then an endothermic step as shown below. It is mentioned oxygen plus 1 electron, that is O negative ion. Delta H formation is minus 141 kilojoule per mole. Second equation is O negative plus electron oxide ion, heat of formation is plus 780 kilojoule per mole. Thus, process of formation of O2 negative ion in gas phase is unfavorable. Even though O2 negative ion is isoelectronic with neon, it is due to the fact that the first option is oxygen is more electronegative. That statement is correct, but different value of heat of formation of O negative and O2 negative ion is not due to its electronegativity. Second option is addition of electron in oxygen results in large size of the ion. That is true. Whenever an electron is added to neutral atom, the size of anion is larger than neutral atom. But this is not the reason that they are having different heat of formation. The third statement is electron repulsion outweighs the stability gained by achieving noble gas configuration, and this option is the correct option. Addition of second electron may result in the formation of noble gas configuration, but interelectronic repulsion will affect the addition of electron, so overall process becomes endothermic. It means the correct answer of this question is option 3. Next question, question number 4. The number of structural isomers possible from the molecular formula C3H9N is first option 2, second option 3, third option 4 and fourth option 5. कंपाउंड का molecular formula दिया हुआ है and this molecular formula suggests that given compound is an amine. So if formula is C3H9N, total how many isomers are possible? We can relate them. This is carbon skeleton. Primary amine, 3 carbon atom in the straight chain, rest of the valence is satisfied by hydrogen. One more possibility of primary amine, if position of NH2 is changed, this is attached to secondary carbon atom. Third possibility, molecular formula can represent a secondary amine. According to this formula, there may be possibility of tertiary amine. So according to the given formula, 4 possibilities exist. So 4 possibilities, it means the correct answer is the third option. So answer is third option, correct option. Proceeding to the next question, question number 5. If the equilibrium constant for N2 plus O2 gives 2NO is K, the equilibrium constant for half N2 plus half O2 product side NO will be first option K, second option K square, third option K raised to power half and fourth option is half K. This is a very simple question. First of all, reaction is given, equilibrium constant is given. In second reaction, the amount, it means coefficient of reactant and products are reduced. किसी भी रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन के लिए जब हम रिएक्टेंट का कोफिशिएंट हाफ कर देते हैं तो इसका मतलब हुआ जो न्यू रिएक्शन बने उस रिएक्शन का इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट विल बी इक्वल टू k raised to the power this coefficient. तो यहाँ k raised to the power coefficient क्या हो जाएगा? half. It means new equilibrium constant will be root of k. So third option is correct option. Correct answer is third option. Next question is question number 6. Which one of the following pairs of solution is not an acid buffer? And 4 options are given. Let us check. Acid buffer always consists of 2 components. One is weak acid and other component should be salt of same acid with a strong base. A strong base. अब हम लोग देखेंगे किस ऑप्शन में ये क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल नहीं हो रहा है. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज H2CO3 and Na2CO3. Carbonic acid is a weak acid and this is the salt with strong base. So ये buffer solution का formation करेगा. Second option is phosphoric acid and sodium phosphate. Again weak acid and its salt. So this is also an acidic buffer. Third option is given HClO4 and NaClO4. We know that HClO4 is a very strong acid and any strong acid cannot form a buffer solution. So this should be the correct answer. Answer is third option. Fourth option, acetic acid and sodium acetate. We are aware that acetic acid is a very weak acid. तो इन 3 केसेस में बफर बनेगा बट थर्ड ऑप्शन स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड का है, यहाँ बफर सॉल्यूशन का फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा.